I will be talking to you about the International Space Station and all the different aspects of what it does. My name is David. I am a Marine, and my goal is to work for NASA eventually and go on spacewalks and be an astronaut. Now, the ISS, the International Space Station, is a very interesting topic. It is the biggest combined multinational project that has ever existed in the world. They began construction in 1995 with the approval of President Ronald Reagan from the United States, and they began going to other countries to ask for their help so that they can get these funds allocated so they can start building. Now, the way the space station was built was through many modules being launched up one by one, and astronauts going on spacewalks, and consequently going on and attaching them by hand, and through the use of robotics such as Canadarm1 and 2. Now, Elizabeth Howe from Space.com states, she lets us know that the International Space Station is about the size of a regular football field, counting all its solar arrays, which are those big fan looking structures when you look at the station itself. Now counting for the weight of the space shuttles that come and dock the astronauts, it weighs about 900,000 pounds. The ISS is not owned by any country because it's a multinational project. However, the country that contributes the most funds to space station gets to have the more astronauts and missions allocated to it in space. Now, why would an astronaut need to go to space at all, right? Why do we need an International Space Station? Well, what missions do astronauts accomplish in space? Now, in the unique environment of space and the big laboratory that the ISS is, because that's essentially what it is we can now focus on experiments and things that we would not have the opportunity to on Earth. So now we have all these control environments, all these little structures that we can use and help us be better as a human race. Now, international corporation, science and research are the two biggest aspects of the International Space Station. The ISS is an amazing laboratory that has aided scientific, educational, and technological developments to benefit the people of Earth, enabling our ability to earn and live in space for longer durations of time. Now, Montalbano, the chief manager of NASA, says, from the first crew turning on the lights of a small outpost on the edge of space to a highly capable microgravity laboratory, the groundwork was laid over 2 decades ago, has now propelled us to extend our efforts on the International Space Station to 2030. Thank you.